Here's a 2010 Mazda CX-9. With a combination of athletic flair, sporty handling, and practicality, the CX-9 is the most fun to drive SUV. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auxiliary audio input, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Bluetooth, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com highlights smooth is the defining word for this powertrain. The V6 revs freely and the automatic changes gears without a hint of harshness. It's a level of refinement you'd expect on an expensive luxury car, not a SUV that goes for less than $40,000. With Mazda, driving is what matters most. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
For your cure for the common commute, visit today. We're conveniently located at 11185 Alpharetta Highway in Roswell, Georgia.